So today I'm doing something a little informal. I say that a lot, apparently. I had a moment of clarity where I discovered I apparently say that I'm not going to actually show the footage that I'm showing most of the time. However, let's just continue, shall we? Funny. That's pretty comical that I've never had anything from Pure before buying Raw Beauty Kristi, and now I have the Pure Festival palette. Should we swatch these for you? We should, right? If I could get this out of the box. So, it looks like this. So turn it up. Oh, okay. So it is a similar formula to Raw Beauty Kristi, where it's like the mattes are super pigmented, but there's a lot of fallout. Middle row. Why did I choose to do the middle row first? I don't know. And before this, I never even thought twice about Pure. I think I've had oh, that's what it is. I had a highlight from Pure. Vanilla. It's probably vanilla. But honestly, this is a beautiful palette. I like that it has those jewel toned colors in it. I like the red. I mean, probably a lot of duplicates. I probably have most of these shades in some form or the other, but I did like using the Raw Beauty Kristi palette, so this will be nice and fun. Pure Festival Collection, Festival 2.0, it says. So the next thing is Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. So it's an anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. I have never heard of this, but we shall try it and we shall give you a review. It comes with 12 pair. That's a pretty decent size, right? The next is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. I really wish I didn't get this. Vitamin C is my least favorite product. I think it breaks me out to an extent, but also, I don't know. Watermelon green tea pineapple. Mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. So you can apply it as a booster or as a serum. Apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, that was my next gripe with vitamin C. Usually it smells like what you'd expect, citrus fruits. This does not. Let me squeeze a little bit onto my hand and see how it feels. So, did I show you the box? It feels nice. I don't know how it smells rubbed in. Maybe that was just my hand smell. I should probably stop sniffing things after I rub it, right? Okay, so next is Murad Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture for Eyes. Let me see. Okay, so I have the Murad Renewing Eye Cream, and I got this either in an Ipsy or an Allure box. I can't remember which. Probably Ipsy. However, I do love this a lot. It's very nice. So this is really more of like a gel cream, I'm assuming. Like a hydrogel, like the Neutrogena ones. Oh no, it's creamy. Doesn't smell like anything. I would like to compare it to the ingredients in the Renewing Eye Cream. But it says ultimate moisture for eyes. AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area. I'm gonna give this a try because I do love the Murad Daily Renewing Eye Cream. Renewing Eye Cream, not daily. Okay, so next thing, oh, I've been meaning to get one of these. Okay, so this is a dry makeup brush cleaner. It's the quick color switch and it's from Lavish. So it's just a sponge, right? The whole time I was thinking it was like some special magical thing, and then I saw somebody use it the other day, and I'm like, oh, it's just, let me see. I mean, maybe it works. To remove previous color, swirl brush around the pad in a circular motion. Removes darker as well as bright shadows quickly without the use of water. Useful, simply wash with your favorite cleaner. Oh, okay, awesome. I'm actually really grateful to have this. And it looks like it took whatever remaining purple was on that brush too. So now I have this and I don't have to go buy it. It might only be a few dollars, I'm not sure, but. And the last thing is Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. I don't know who Studio Makeup is. Why does that look like it's been used before though? Maybe that's just how it settles. So this is supposed to be like a Stila, I'm guessing. It's not very opaque. Like a big section of it. It's not very opaque at all, so I'm not sure its purpose, just to change the texture of your shadow. It is pretty, but... And then how does it set? It's not opaque, so it's not something I love. So that was my box. All in all, do I think it was worth $25? Probably. That pure palette was probably that much, right? We can look that up. But it only has a 6-month shelf life. That's strange, right? That's a little weird. Shared for Clean Skin Club, Delray Beach, Florida. Does that mean that this is manufactured by BoxyCharm? That was some of the controversy behind the BoxyCharm. The thing is, I originally signed up with the BoxyCharm because there was some kind of offer for 2 Tarte products and I had never tried Tarte, so I wanted to try Tarte. I didn't get Tarte, but I'm sure there was some fine print that said not guaranteed or something. So the MSRP for the Clean Skin Club is supposed to be $50 for a brightening booster. I mean, I can kind of see why or where or how or whatever. I would probably never, well, I wouldn't for a vitamin C booster. I just wouldn't, but I will try it and see if I see a significant difference. Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. I've never heard of Studio Makeup before, and this claims an MSRP of $25. I am going to look into that because I don't think so. The Pure Festival 2.0 palette, MSRP of $36. I can believe that. Grace and Stella for $21 for the 12 eye masks. I can believe that. And then the Lavish brush cleaner, $20. Now see, I can believe it, but I would also never pay $20 for a sponge that sits in a tin jar. I know it's reusable. I know it's, you know, it works, but I still probably wouldn't do it. So that's all for me today. So thank you for joining me, and please remember to like and subscribe, and also ring the bell for notifications if you approve of seeing my face again. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.